Hello Crypto Explorer. In today's video we're going to be talking about the USCT mining of Delta coin, right? And this is going to be something that if you do, you could actually benefit from this. I mean, you could actually earn real USDT from this, but a lot of people are not actually seizing this very opportunity, myself included. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to benefit from this very USCT mining, and trust me, this is something you should double down on, right? A lot of people are not very conversant with this very section of Delta network, but I'm going to be explaining today for you guys, right? I'm going to be doing a follow-up video because there's a lot to cover on this very section, right? There's really a lot to cover on this very section. If this video gets too long, I'm going to cut it and probably create a 3-part series for this very video, so you'll be able to understand this very USCT mining on Delta network more, right? So before we begin, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications if you haven't turned on. If you're subscribed and not turned on notification, do that, because when I'm going to be creating more videos about Delta network, trust me, you don't want to miss out. So let's click on USCT mining right now. Now this is going to bring you to this very page, and if you take a good look right here, you can see that we have 2 sections, and these very sections are the watch ad section and the complete tax section, right? These are the 2 sections on the USDT mining page. And the watch ad section, as the name implies, simply means watching ads, right? And for the complete tax, you complete tax and your balance drops here. This is basically how this works, and you can see so far I've been able to earn about 0.14 USDT. Now this is because I just started paying attention to this. I haven't been paying attention to this for a very long time, right? This has been around for months, I guess, and I haven't really paid much attention to it. Now whatever you earn, you withdraw to the Delta wallet right here. So this is how it works, right? So you understand what you're getting into. Now, how does this work? It's really simple, right? Now, you earn points by watching ads or completing tax, and these tax are confirmed during monthly settlements, right? This is the monthly settlement. Now, the next thing is that your confirmed points can be converted by you to USCT, right? And USCT balance from all sources is added to one balance, right? So your entire USCT balance from anything you're going to be doing on this very app is going to be added to one balance, which is the balance you see right here, right? So don't overcomplicate this for yourself. Now, once you have 1 USCT, you can convert it to USDT and withdraw. Now, 1 USCT currently is 1 USDT. So you can see right here that I have 0.138 USCT, and if you look down here, I have about 0.14 USDT. So 1 USCT is equivalent to 1 USDT, and USCT literally means USD credit. So this is basically what this means. So how do you actually start watching ads and completing tax on this very platform? Let's head over to that real quick, right? So I'm going to click on this right now, which is watch ads, right? This is going to lead us to this very page right now. You can see that you earn ad points by watching ads both. Now these are the 2 ad points you earn. We have the ad plus right here. This is it right here, and we have the AGG ads, right? So these are the 2 ads you watch. If you notice right here, you watch 4 ads, and once you are done watching these 4 ads, you would be able to watch them in 8 hours again, right? So this is basically how this works. Now once you earn points from watching these ads, you convert the points, the ad points, to USCT, right? And here you can read how USCT earning with ad works. We're going to get to that, but let's first understand what this is about right here. So you can see you watch up to 4 ads every 8 hours on each channel. You can see this for yourself. It's best to also read this for yourself so you understand what this is actually talking about. And each ad view earns 6 ad points. Please take note. Each ad you watch earns you 6 ad points. Now, direct referrals watches an ad, you get 3 ad points. What does direct referral mean? Direct referral is literally someone you invited to Delta network. The direct person you invited, one person you invited to Delta network. You could have invited thousands, but each person you invite is your direct referral. Your indirect referral watches an ad, that's plus 1 ad point. Now, your indirect referrals are the referrals of your referrals. Let me say you invited someone and they ends up inviting another person. So that's your indirect referral. Now, if they also complete an ad watch right here, that also earns you 1 ad point, right? So ad points can be settled into USCT mining based on the settlement cycle of each ad channel, right? Now, each ad channel have their settlement cycle and also have what is allocated to the community. So Ad Plus and AGG ads have different settlement cycle. Now you can see right here, the net settlement for Ad Plus is 30 settlement and the net settlement for AGG ad is 15 settlements, right? So these are basically like quota which is rewarded to community members. So you might be looking at the settlements and you want to focus on the one that have a higher settlement, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and click on premium ad inventory. So if you click on this right now, this is going to actually play an ad. You can play up to 4 ads, and once you're done playing these 4 ads, it resets in 8 hours, right? So I'm going to click on play ad right now, and this is going to actually play an ad. Tell me an audacity without telling me an audacity. So we just concluded this very ad right now. I'm just going to wait for this to bring us back to this very page. You don't have to cancel the ad yourself. So you might play an ad and just go on and do something else, right? You don't have to sit right there and watch the ad play, right? So I'm going to watch all this ad right now, then come back to this very video, right? The reason I'm going to be doing it is just so you can see how it looks like when you're done watching all ads. So back to the video, I'm done watching those ads, and you can see that the ad remaining right now is 0/4, and for the HG ads, this is also 0.4. Now, before I go on to show you how to convert ad points to USCT, let me quickly show you how USCT earning with ad works. So let's click on this right now. Now you can see right here that how ad points are distributed. It says right here that when ad is watched, ad points are distributed as follows. So 6 ad points when you watch an ad, 3 ad points when you direct referrals watches an ad, 1 ad point when your indirect referral watches an ad. Now I think I've explained this before. Now this is what you need to know, the important thing that brought me to this very section. So I just want to show you how generous these guys are. You can see that the ad revenue is shared in this very format, and this is it. 60% goes to the community while 40% goes to support platforms and developers. So the community has 60% and developers and support platforms have 40%. So this is it. I'm just going to click on done right now. Now convert your ad points to USDT mining. So this is it right here. So this is ad points, ads that I watched that I didn't really know I even watch, because sometimes you might just enter the Delta app and you watch ads, right? So I'm just going to use one of these to show you as an example. So you can see if I scroll down right here to the very bottom, you can see that there are a lot of terminations, and these are points I didn't claim, right? So if you don't claim them, there would be terminations, right? For the settlement right here, you can see these are kind of settlements that have expired, right? People have claimed them, I didn't claim them on time. So I'm just going to go ahead right now and click on this very one right here that says settlement, and I'm going to click on this. So it says the period settlement is successful, so I have confirmed that. So this is literally how you claim or convert your USDT points, right? So let me quickly show you something again. Now if I head back right here, right, you're going to see that this has also increased. You can now see my USDT is now 0.20, so it has also increased. Now I'm not going to be talking about completing tax in this very video. That's why I told you that this video is going to be really long. I don't want to bore you with the long talk, so expect a part 2 of this very video. And when I create a part 2, I'm going to link it to this, right? I'm going to drop the link of the part 2 in the link of this very video, right, in the description. And I'm also going to pin it in the comment section, right? This is what you need to know, right? I'm going to do that. So make sure your notifications are turned on after you subscribe to this very channel. So subscription is free, you're not paying a dime for it, just so you know, right? And if I go back right now, I'm just going to show you a quick update, right? Let me show you a quick update right now. You can see this very update right here is talking about the USCT mining withdrawal. So as at the time of creating this very video, a withdrawal was just completed, right? This withdrawal just happened yesterday for those who have been doing this passively, right? So this is basically what you need to know about this USCT mining on the Delta Network app. So yes, I'm going to create a video on completing tax. This is going to be the part 2 of this very video, and we're going to be talking about the time war, the IET, the playtime. You're going to understand what all this is all about, because this is kind of a bit complex. I'm going to break it down for you guys so you can understand what this very tax is talking about. Above all, the summary of whatever you earn on this app always appear in the available balance of your USCT mining section. So you can see I haven't withdrawn this yet, and if I want to withdraw this, I'll just go to the withdraw to Delta, right? And then specify how much I want to withdraw. And you can see right here that the minimum I can withdraw right now is actually 1 USCT, right? That's just the minimum you can withdraw. And once you withdraw this, you type that in and confirm withdrawal. This is going to appear in your Delta account or Delta wallet, and that very wallet is this right here, right? So this is it right here. You get to see it in your DTC wallet. This is the wallet address actually, and you get to see it right here, right? Probably here because I haven't really withdrawn this, right? I didn't even take it serious, right? But I'm just introducing this to you guys right now, and I'm going to be doubling down on Delta Network. If you haven't joined Delta Network, do well to join the Delta Network. This is how mining works. I just click that mine button for the next mining section right now, right? So join Delta Network. It's important to join Delta Network. This is very app, is very optimized. The team is building something great, and I don't want to lose out on this, right? They have the security cycle, right? Make sure you also pay attention to the security cycle. I haven't added much people because I haven't found enough trusted people to add to this very project. Or if you feel you're trusted and you want to join my security cycle, I have to know you personally, right? So you can just follow me on my WhatsApp, contact the admin, and I'll get to know you personally and add you to my security cycle, right? But before we communicate, it's possible that people must have filled this slot, but just give it a try. You never know what might happen. So this is it for this very video. I hope you got value out of this video. I hope you understand how the watch ad section works on the USDT mining section of Delta Network. If you have any question at all, the comment section is there. Feel free to ask your question. If this is your first time stopping by, like always, subscribe and turn the notification bell on. Share this video so that those who haven't understood or those who are not aware of this very update will be able to benefit from this also. I'll see you in the part of this very video. Bye for now.